at the same time, an article came out from the Devil Strip called The House That Jack Built. And I had been reading that article, and then I just happened to receive a phone call from someone at Progress Through Preservation who had expressed interest in someone taking over this property, as the house had been falling into disrepair for a number of years. And at the same time, we, as the Summit County Land Bank, had started to outgrow our space where we're currently located at the Pry Building in South Akron. So it kind of worked out. It gave us a chance from a practical standpoint to expand our space a little bit and offer more space to our employees. But at the same time, it gave us an opportunity to protect and preserve what we feel is a really important piece of Akron's cultural history. We're going to be housed here during the day, Monday through Friday, but we have also decided that we would like to open up this property to the public. So we would like the public to have an opportunity, especially for small group gatherings. So if you're thinking neighborhood watches, community block groups, if they want to have meetings here in the afternoons or evenings, we're going to open that up to them. And we've been in discussion with our partners like the Historical Society when they do events throughout the year, especially on the weekends, that we would like to open our property and be part of those festivities as well.
Right, it just adds to the strength of the neighborhood to be able to see the different time periods that Akron grew. What this has allowed the Historic Society to do is to add different segments of the eras of Akron, which has had to reinvent itself. And so we are just thrilled to be a partner here with the Summit Land Bank.